When you make better choices, you will live a better life. That applies to everybody in this room. Everybody wants a better life. But the reality is, many of us don't understand that we have the power to do that through our choices. You have the power to choose, and no one can take that power away from you. Now, someone can limit your choices, but they never can limit your power to choose. Because you should be making choices looking up to your future. Your future is much bigger than your present. Your future is a lot more ahead of you in life. So if you keep looking up to your future, going, you know what? I want to be this when I get older. Make choice looking up to your future. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to have in your family? You will not always be this age. The things that are important to you now won't always be important to you. So don't get stuck right here. Look at your future. That makes sense? Say, oh yeah. Oh, yeah.